I'm Terry O'Shea, Chief Technology Officer here at Safariland, and what I'd like to talk to you today about is our connected officer. With our new LE5 camera, as they're approaching a scene and they do know they turn it on, it's a simple slide. One of the nice features about the connected officer is the fact that, as you know, the Internet of Things is coming around. And here I have one of our Safariland holsters that are issued for law enforcement. As the officer is approaching the scene and they pull the weapon from the holster, you see the blue light comes on. That immediately sends a wireless signal secure to the camera to turn it on. So no longer does the officer have to turn that device on. We've partnered with Motorola, so that same signal that was turning on the camera also sends a signal to the Motorola radio, which then goes back to dispatch. So dispatch knows that if the officer has the weapon out of the holster for an extended period of time, there may be something going on there, and it can alert the officers. One of the great major changes that we made from last year is now we've updated the systems, so now we're completely wireless or wired. This is the choice of the department. So we can go wired and wire up to the device in a secure environment if they're looking for that, or we can go completely wireless.